Hello everyone. Welcome back with the additional in today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, almost end of the month, August the 30th, 2022. We have here 7 puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics. One with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. And in Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. Yes. And the final one, a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. And I will solve the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku, binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, the first one, Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 5095. Well, 95. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 3 stars, has always 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 4 2s. Alright, we have here 1 3. We have here 3 4s. We have here 2 5s. 4 6s. All right. 2 7s. 2 8s. And 3 9s. So the 2s and the 6s are a majority. Can I start with the 2? That's the question. Let me see. Here 2. There 2. Well, here 2, there 2. Cannot start with the 2. Need to wait. How about the 6? 6 there, 6. Also not. Oh, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6s. Okay. Well, I cannot start with the 6 again. Publisher, how about the 4? Oh, wait, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 5 7, 2 5 7, 2 5 7, and look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 it should be here. Well, 2 7 1 2 3 2 7, and the 8 is missing. Yes. Well, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are, I believe, the 2 and the 7, and the other should be the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is missing in the last column. Well, we have a 2 and 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So 1 digit left should be the 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. This box should be 2. 1 box left in the last column for number 8. Alright. 7 7. 2 2. Yeah. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 2, okay. 2 2. 2 2. Cannot continue with the 2 again. Need to wait. How about the 6 then? 6 6, no. 6 6, no. 6 6. Well, in this row, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. Here 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. Alright. Here we have also a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. One. Well, we have here 6. No. One conclusion. 7. Here neither, so 7. One conclusion. We have a 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 7. 7 should be also there. Okay. Then. Let me see. Which number can I pick? The 6 in this column, the 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue. Well, I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. 4. Okay, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and 5. I'm thinking. 9. 4. We have a 4 here. 4. Thinking. 4. Yeah. 472. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between only place left for the 5 should be there. 397. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 379. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and 8. 1, 3, 9. Okay. And now. How about 8. I'm scanning. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. But we have also a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be 4 anymore. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about the number 5? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes here. 5 in the middle row. No 5 in that box, so the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, down, need 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 5. Now we have a 5 here in this column, so this box will be 5 in the more. That box should be the 5, alright. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. How about the 4 now? Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the last row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. All right. How about the 6? Well, still cannot continue with the 6. How about the 2 then? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. No. 2, 2, 2. Well. Still waiting. The 7 in this column, the 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, here or there, here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here a 7 in that row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, okay. 7, 7. 3, 7, 9. Cannot continue with the 7. How about 6 cannot be 1, 3, and 8. 1, 3, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have 1 and 8 in the middle column. So no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 1 and 8 we have here. So what number is this in the last row? The missing number here should be, I believe, the 9. Let me check. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. Yes, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well. We have 3 missing numbers in the center big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And look, we have 1 and 3 in the middle column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. And no. We need to wait. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first row. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Await. Okay, then, how about, 1, 3, yeah. One number left in the middle column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Can I fill this yet? No, cannot fill this yet. Surprise, surprise. 3 and 8. Need to mark them. Okay. 7, 7. 1, 3, and 8. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. Well, here cannot be an 8 because we have an 8 in this row. Here we have an 8 in this row, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. So 1 box left for the 8 should be here. So the 1 and the 3 need to mark those. Here we have a pair. That means 1 digit left in this row. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3 again. Cannot believe this. A lot of pairs, Here also 1 and 3. So we have a pair here. So the other pair, now we have an 8 here. We have 6 and 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 6. 1 digit left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is, no, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Wow, the 9. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there we see a 9 in this row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. A 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. A 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and 3. Now we have a 3 here in the third column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 7 and the 3 are missing. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this 1. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.